Hey, what's up guys, I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video we will talk about the OneUi 7 update for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So finally the OneUi 7 update is now rolling out on older flagship models, and the S23 model just got this update. This OneUi 7 update was first of all available for the Galaxy S24 model, then it was released for the S23, and now it is releasing for the S22 series. So soon you will get to see this new update. And if we talk about that, what new you can expect with this update, so there are a lot of new UI changes like the new camera app, new app icons, and many other updates available with this new update. As you can see, the camera app will be now a lot more cleaner than before. Also, you will get to see some new UI changes like you can enlarge or small the folder and many other UI changes like that. Another change that you will notice after the OneUi 7 update, so that will be this control panel. So you will get to see a redesigned control panel with this new update. This new redesigned control panel will give your device a fresh new feel and look. Also with the OneUi 7 update, you will get to see some smoother animations while opening and closing of the apps. Also, you will get to see a new redesign in the recent apps as well, as you can see. Furthermore, there are many new changes coming up with this OneUi 7 update. Also, there will be new redesign in the widgets department as well. As you can see, the widgets are redesigned and they are giving a fresh new look. Further, if we talk about that, how you can update your device, so simply tap on the settings, then you have to tap on download and install from the software update. From here, you will get to see the OneUi 7 update. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was a quick video to tell you about that the OneUi 7 update is now rolling out on older flagship models. So check it out and let me know in the comment section that have you got it or not. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.